India is a land of diverse cultures, and it's true of drama too. Be it the Jatra from West Bengal, the Bhavai from Gujarat or Kathakali from Kerala, all these art forms are intrinsically rooted in the culture and folklore of Indian epics. One such type of dance drama act is the Ankiya. Popularly known as Bhavna in Assam, the tradition started by Srimanta Shankar Deva continues to carry forward his legacy. DD India's Shubina Roy reports.
The audiences are soaked in awe and wonder as Bhavna continues in the local playgrounds of Assam. Traditionally known as Onkyo Naats or dramas written by 15th century saint Srimanta Shankar Dev in Brajavali were called Bhavna. These simple yet powerful dramas include an orchestra of singers and instrumentalists popularly known as Gayons and Bayons, and actors perform in glittering costumes representing various characters like kings, queens, demons and animals. The performance begins with the actors passing through an archway of lights called Agnigar. 9 lamps are lit over the arc to demonstrate 9 modes of devotion. Before Agnigar, it enlightens the arena and symbolizes Shravan, listening, and Kirtan, recitation. The Sutradhar, one who narrates the play, acts as a chorus explaining the story with the help of orchestra to make it easier for the audience to understand.
एक्चुअली क्या है, हम लोग का यहाँ पे जो भावना है वो हम लोग का गुरुजी का एक शिक्षा बोल सकते हैं। हम लोग का जो गुरुजी है वो हम लोग का समाज में एक संस्कृत और दिशा के लिए, शिक्षा के लिए, ये आप लोग हम धर्म रूप से जैसे आगे बढ़ा उसी हिसाब से हम लोग को भावना सृष्टि हुआ। भावना से आपका अंतरात्मा और हम लोग का जो नवप्रजन्म है उन लोग को नैतिक और धार्मिक ये दोनों दिशों में उन लोग को शिक्षा मिलता है।
Bhavna has been refurbished with new linguistic flavor with the usage of modern Assamese language and story content for creating an impact among people. The age-old tradition of Bhavna continues to influence Assam in every aspect of language, economy and social norms. The beat of tolls and the rhythm of cymbals, along with songs of Sri Hari Nam, and you can see behind me the characters of Sri Krishna and Kamsa being played at the Bhavna Samaroh. This tradition of Assamese culture not just carries forward the legacy of Srimanta Shankar Dev, but also the intangible heritage of Assam. We dedicate Dibrugarh team, Shubina Roy, TD India.